All right, so for this lesson, we are going to go ahead and learn how to use 1-point perspective to make some cubes. So what you'll need for this lesson is a piece of paper. This nice long one works really well. A ruler, an eraser, and a pencil. So when we're using 1-point perspective, we're just trying to make something look three-dimensional. And this is how we do it. You're going to start with the horizon line, which is a line going straight across your paper. You'll see that my ruler is smaller than my paper, so I have to do part of the line, move my ruler over, and draw the rest of the line like so. This is called a horizon line. It is horizontal, which starts with the same sound, so it's pretty easy to remember. The next thing we're going to do is a vanishing point. If this is the first time you're doing 1-point perspective, you can put it in the very middle. If you've done this a few times, you can put the vanishing point somewhere else. This is where everything is going to vanish into. Vanish just means disappear into. Okay, so now let's go ahead and start with a square, and we'll turn that square into a three-dimensional cube using our 1-point perspective, horizon line, and vanishing point. So you'll use a ruler to draw a square. Mine is going to be 3 centimeters on each side, but you can make yours a different size if you would like. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And just connect these points here. So yeah. Now that you have a square, we're going to turn this into a cube using our vanishing point. So what you do is you are going to put your ruler on this vanishing point right here. So if you play basketball, this is kind of like how you pivot instead of traveling. So you have a foot that's planted. This foot can move around this side of the ruler, but this cannot. So we're going to find the first corner and stop when we touch a corner with the moving part of the ruler. When we get to the corner, you're going to just draw the line from the corner to the vanishing point. That's the first step. We're going to pivot more until we run into another corner. There's a corner right here, but we actually can't draw a line because there's something in our way. So let's skip it and go to the next corner. There, nothing's in our way for this corner. All of your lines have to start at a corner and go to the vanishing point. And then go to the next corner. And that's all the corners that we have in our square. So see how it looks like it's coming out? It looks like it's three-dimensional. That's the cool thing about 1-point perspective. We're now going to draw vertical lines from our first and second line here. Now we have a side of a cube. From that corner there, we're going to draw a horizontal line like that. Now we have an entire cube. Make sure that you don't draw a slanted line here or here. It has to be straight up and down and straight left to right. Okay. The next step is we can actually get rid of our lines with our eraser. And now we have a perfect cube. Good job. See you later.